Welcome to Grow Up Kids. A is for apple, A is for alligator, A is for aeroplane, A is for ant, A. B is for ball, ball, B is for balloon, B is for bee, B is for banana, B is for bus, B is for bear, B. C is for cow, cow. C is for cat, C is for camel, C is for cogger, C. D is for doll, D is for duck, D is for dolphin, D is for drum. E is for egg, E is for elephant, E is for envelope, E is for eggplant, E. F is for flower, F is for fish, F is for fence, F is for frog. G is for grasshopper, G is for grass, G is for grapes, G is for gate. Say with me, G. H is for hat, H is for house, H is for heart, H is for hammer. I is for eyes, I is for island, I is for ice cream, I is for igloo. J is for jug, J is for jelly beans, J is for jelly, J is for jellyfish. Say with me. K is for kite, K is for kettle, K is for knife, K is for keyboard. Say with me. Kettle, kite, knife, keyboard. L is for leaf, L is for lion, L is for ladybug, L is for lamb.